I am just presenting the case of ICT applications in agriculture in University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad. The University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad is a very young university. It came into existence on 1st October 1986. It's just 23 years old, and we had earlier 12 districts, and now it is reduced to 8 districts because we have number of universities coming up in the state, both agriculture as well as in the horticulture. So with the limited resources, with the limited the personnel, what we have done in fostering the e-agriculture, I am just presenting here. First of all, I would like, otherwise I may forget, because the time will be up and the chairman will ring the bell. Before that, I would like to make a special mention of Dr. T.P. Trivedi, who has been visiting the US, Dharwad, and also advising us on e-agriculture, and the Indian Council of Agriculture Research in providing funds for this particular aspect, and also the RKVY, the Government of India initiative, in giving some funds for ICT in agriculture. This is the bird's eye view of the University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad. The network infrastructure, the campus area network, 2 Mbps bandwidth from the eIndia and 1 Mbps bandwidth from Software Technology Park of India, and 20 buildings in the university campus are connected with the OFC. We have laid out about 5,000 meters of OFC cables in the campus, and 300 nodes capacity, 8,000 meters of UTPs are used, and 20 servers are active in the campus, and in-house incubation center is also available at the campus. The areas of ICT application in the US Dharwad is library, education, research, extension, and the administration. The university library, the electronic journals. We have access to more than 2,500 online journals, and the university publishes one journal, Karnataka Journal of Agricultural Sciences. It is being digitized. The efforts are being made to digitize this journal since its inception. Then CD-ROM database, we have access to KB abstracts from 1910 to till date, access to all sub-centers of US Dharwad. Not only in the main campus, we have this facility even in other research stations and also colleges coming under the jurisdiction of University of Agriculture Sciences, Dharwad. The library automation, 90,000 books are barcoded. The electronic learning resources made available at US Dharwad. When we go to the website of the US Dharwad, this is the picture we get on the website. We have the consortium for e-resources from Indian Agriculture Research Institute, New Delhi, and also from Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. These are the online journals from Taylor and Francis, online journals from Indian journals, the online journals from the American societies, then online KB extracts, then information outlet at the university library, and the education regarding the application of ICT in education. All the faculties and the departments are connected with the direct access to electronic resources through the internet facilities, admissions also through websites, the internet facilities to students in the hostels, and use of GIS in the studies, and use of remote sensing in the studies. This is how the website looks like when we go to UG admissions. We have all the details available, including the prospectus and day-to-day information regarding the admissions to undergraduate and as well as the postgraduate programs in 2009 and 10. The syllabus for both undergraduate as well as postgraduate is being loaded onto our website. Anybody can have an access to the syllabus of all the degree programs being offered at US Dharwad. This is a scene of the ICT facilities at the UG hostel. In all the hostels, in the postgraduate hostel, they're all connected with internets. And the ladies hostel is also, we have the internet facility exclusively for the students in all the hostels. Then ICT facilities at the Eris cell, we have exclusively made with the 45-50 computers, a computer center for particularly undergraduate students. With respect to use of ICT in research, online data analysis, research stations are enriched with the electronic learning resources and internet facilities. The use of computer-controlled equipments in various laboratories. We have mega projects in SEED project, in IABT, pesticide residue testing laboratory. We have got the funding from the Government of India. Each one will have about 5 to 6 crore funds, and most of the equipments in these are connected with the internet and also computer facilities. The seed production monitoring system, which is one of the mega projects of the US Dharwad, which is being appreciated by ICR time and again as the Dharwad model. Use of internet in research. We have been using the internet in all the research stations coming under the jurisdiction of US Dharwad are being connected with the internet facilities. These are some of the examples of when we go to the website of research, this is what we see. The data which we retrieve from different equipments connected to the computers. Then the seed unit, there is, as I mentioned, that all seed production activities, the amount of seeds produced, procured, and the price of the seed, everything is being loaded onto this seed unit. In extension, the information kiosks have been installed. About 200 information kiosks have been installed with the help of RKVY, Government of India. We have FM radio, which was the first FM radio in the state to start. And the Kisan call centers, toll-free numbers for information to the farmers, the Agri-Business Knowledge Center, IVRS, and video libraries. The information kiosks, 212 kiosks are established, and all the Raita Samparka Kendras, Krishi Vijnana Kendras, and extension education units are the key centers. The farmers can directly access the information without any internet facility. The information, this is a close look at the information kiosks which have been installed at various places in the main campus, in all the research stations and KVKs and EUs. The information is available both in the local language, Kannada, as well as in English. And regarding all the crops, information is available about all the crops which are being grown in the region. And even the crops which are not grown in the region also, many information is uploaded onto this information kiosks for the information of farmers. Then FM radio station, it is mass media communication, which has the coverage of 20 kilometers radius. The first FM radio station in agriculture works at 90.4 megahertz. Then dissemination of price information, dissemination of marketing intelligence, dissemination of farming practices, and dissemination of weather forecasts are regularly being broadcast on our FM radio. This is a view of the FM radio. The programs are being recorded. Then the Kisan call centers, the farmers can interact with the scientists by using the Kisan call centers number. The number is given here. Any farmer can have an information from the university by calling this toll-free number. They also use toll-free numbers 1551 for contacting the agricultural scientists for getting the advices. In this call centers, the scientists are available, various subject matter experts are available. We have Agri-Business Knowledge Center, the web-based system for market intelligence, web-based system for market trend analysis, it is for the agri-business forecast. The IVRS, by using the interactive voice response system, farmers can get agricultural information. The video libraries, success stories of the progressive farmers are being broadcasted. Then use of digital radios and audios in educating the farmers at their own places through the trainings enriched with electronic gadgets. Then more easy to learn programs. Even the ICT is also being implemented in the administration. The e-governance, e-tenders, recruitments through web. So this is about the e-governance. And the tenders, all the tenders are being put to the web, and through e-tenders anybody can participate and apply for the tenders. The recruitment, day-to-day information on the recruitments is being put it on the web of the university. Automation of the accounts process, receipts and expenditures through accounts software, staff salary through account software, university budget through software, check payments through account software, and bill passing through everything is automized. The projections we are thinking of introducing WiMAX campus area network, 1000 node capacity, 5 kilometers radius, for which Dr. Trivedi I approached last month, and probably we may come out with something with some assistance from the ICR. Then we want to increase from the present 2 Mbps to 4 Mbps bandwidth, computer and internet facilities to all the scientists, and supporting staff above the level of superintendents, digitization of service records, and the digitization of academic programs. This is what is our projection in this year, 2009 and 10. Thank you very much.